Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and which launcher is active, because different launchers expose different ad controls. Once done, open Settings and go to Apps, then review permissions. Focus on Draw over other apps and notification access. Make sure to long press the home screen and enter Home Settings or Launcher Settings. Disable suggestions, news, or promotional cards. This first sweep removes many common ad sources from the launcher and helps you target the next, deeper steps quickly and effectively. Next, inspect recently installed apps and any utilities with wide permissions. Uninstall or disable those that show ads or use overlay permissions. Then, open your browser settings, such as Chrome, and block pop-ups, redirects, and ads from site settings. Clear browser data if needed. Also go through Settings, Apps Notifications, and turn off notifications or promotional channels for offending apps, because many ads arrive as notification cards. These deeper steps close the common delivery paths for intrusive ads across system and browser. For finalizing, reset launcher preferences or consider switching to a trusted, ad-free launcher to eliminate built-in promos. Run Play Protect and a reputable anti-malware scan to catch hidden adware, and update or reinstall affected apps. If ads still appear, boot your device into safe mode to see whether a third-party app is responsible. When identified, uninstall that app. One key troubleshooting tip: if ads began after a specific install or update, uninstall that package first. Most persistent ad issues trace back to one culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.